So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to submit your page for indexing on Google search. Now this is very important for you if you just made a new update on a particular page or just added a new priority page that you want Google to crawl faster. Right now in your search console, all you just need to do is to use the URL inspection tool over here. Right, when you go to your search console, you see URL inspection tool here, and you add the link. When you click on enter, you're going to see a report like this. Now the next thing you want to choose, you want to do first of all test the URL if it's live. Test the URL if it's live. Now in a few minutes time, you will have a pop-up from Google confirming if the URL is live and can be indexed, or if the URL is not active. Alright, for some reasons this takes time for a while. Okay, so now we have successfully submitted it and Google has checked if the URL is live. Now if you see here, it could be saying page availability, right, time code, today's date. Alright, next thing you want to see if it has any rich experience, it's going to show there. And the next thing you want to do is click on request indexing, and automatically this is going to be added to a priority call. Right, see you in the next one. Cheers.